Is it the right time to buy or sell the TQQQ ETF? In this video, we will take a deep dive into TQQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, November 29, 2023. Now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Staying informed is crucial to making informed investment decisions. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has identified TQQQ as a buy candidate, with a score of 1.45. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 21.87% in just 19 days since we first listed TQQQ as a buy candidate. This equates to an average daily return of 1.15% since it was flagged as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently in an upward trend, but it is showing signs of weakness. This could be a good opportunity for short-term traders to sell, as we might see a pullback towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the ETF breaks above the top trend line at $44.87, it could indicate a stronger upward movement. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 4.19% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return ranges between -25.77% and 5.67%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a significant 83.8% change over the next year. This could result in a potential return between 37.93% and 131.75%. So, the price range after a year could be anywhere from $61.02 to $102.53. Our latest update for TQQQ reveals that the ETF price decreased by 0.36% on Wednesday. On Wednesday, November 29, 2023, the TQQQ ETF price declined from $44.40 to $44.24, reflecting a decrease of 0.36%. Throughout the trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 3.63%, reaching a low of $44.13 and a high of $45.73. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by 3.03%, with a positive trend observed in 6 out of the last 10 days. Although volume increased by 9 million shares on the last day, prices were falling. This may indicate a potential risk that could slightly increase over the next few days. In total, approximately 87 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to around $3.87 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $47.14, while the lowest price was $16.10. Currently, the price is 6.15%, equivalent to $2.90, below the 52-week high and 76.82%, equivalent to $146.64, below the all-time high, which was recorded on January 8, 2021, with a price of $190.88. Let's discuss the signals for TQQQ, the popular ETF. The TQQQ ETF currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, it indicates a general buy signal for the ETF, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. If the ETF continues to gain, it might face resistance from the short-term moving average around $44.27. On the other hand, if it falls, the long-term average at approximately $38.71 might provide some support. If the ETF breaks through the short-term average, it will send a buy signal. Conversely, if it breaks down through the long-term average, it will send a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, there have also been some negative signals that may impact the near short-term development of the ETF. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, November 20, 2023, resulting in a 1.03% decrease so far. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth noting that volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which could be an early warning signal. Therefore, it is advisable to closely monitor the ETF's performance. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence-divergence indicator is currently giving a buy signal. The pivots indicator indicated a sell signal 7 days ago. The Bollinger indicator gave a buy signal 24 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a sell 2 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 16 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicated a buy signal 20 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 4 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. TQQQ, the ETF, has some important support levels. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $37.35 and $35.70. However, it's important to note that when an ETF tests a support level, there is a risk involved. If the support is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. For TQQQ, that next support level is at $37.35. If that is broken, we can expect support at $35.70 and $34.47 based on accumulated volume. It's worth mentioning that TQQQ is considered a high-risk ETF due to its potential for significant daily movement and its large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. In fact, over the last day, TQQQ had a price range of $1.60 or 3.63%. And over the past week, it has shown an average daily volatility of 2.49%. Today, let's take a closer look at some potential day trading levels for TQQQ. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for TQQQ is at $44.40. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be a good idea to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. However, for those who are already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading opportunities. On the other hand, if we encounter a downward trend, TQQQ will encounter its first support level at $37.35. If this support level holds, it could potentially be a good entry point, as we anticipate a rebound in the stock's price. For this video, we have an important recommendation regarding stop-loss levels. We suggest setting the stop-loss at $43.01, which represents a decrease of 2.79%. Now, let's dive into the details. This particular ETF experiences significant daily movements, making it a high-risk investment. It's crucial to proceed with caution. Furthermore, we've identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 6 days ago. This signal further supports the need for a cautious approach. Is TQQQ ETF a good investment? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, we believe that the current level of TQQQ ETF could present a buying opportunity with a fair chance for it to perform well in the short term. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. For Thursday, November 30th, we anticipate TQQQ to open up by $0.460 and begin trading at $44.70. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always recommended to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement in the comments below. Also, let us know your target for the ETF. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.